Hey guys, is Windows 11 tanking your FPS? Let's fix that. Okay, so there's two things to change here in Windows 11 and let's get straight into it. So here first in your search bar, you're going to find for choose your power plant. Okay, so for here, you're going to set it to high performance. If you don't see a high performance here, okay, just click on show additional settings and here high performance should be under here. Okay, just make sure it's selected and this option will help laptops a lot. Okay, so once that is done, you're going to go into your search bar again and search for graphics settings right here. Okay, so before doing that, you're going to find your game. Okay guys, so for this I'm going to use Skate as the example. You're going to right click here on Skate and then you're going to go for open file location. Click on that. Okay, and then here once you click on here, you should get the address. Just copy this, right click, copy, and then close this. And then here in your graphics settings, you're going to go click on add a desktop app. Here, delete this, paste the address that you just entered, and then you'll find your game right here. Click on the application, click on add. So once it's added, you're done. Just restart your computer and launch the game and your FPS should have been boosted. So that's all for this video guys. Thanks for watching.